That's the mistake some of you made, that this thing did not come up. The one that is twisted with blue is the one that serves as white of blue. The one that is twisted with orange is one that serves as white of orange. If they don't, there are sometimes that you see cables where they put colors on it. Like you see this white, we have white and blue. But in this case, it doesn't have. So you must be conscious while you are peeling it to be sure of which one is serving for blue and which one is serving for orange. So if you now want to connect it with network pathways, this one have what we call band strip color, and why this one have solid state color. The next thing you do is that you first peel white of orange. I'll peel it like this. Can you see this thing? Peel it off. I'll bend the wire. I will now connect it to black. You see this black. I will untie this. I will now connect white of orange. If you see what I gave you guys yesterday, white of orange will be connected to what? To black. The next one I will move to now is what? Blue. Someone will need to help me with detail. Can't you? And I want everybody to see it. So the picture that we took here, if you took picture here, you can post it on the general WhatsApp group like that. So then the blue, if you collected my number yesterday, I knew I've sent it to everyone. So I'll bend it again. Blue will be connected to, again, check color again. Blue will be connected to red. So I'll connect it to red. I will also tile it up like this. Green to white of blue. This is white of blue. I'll use the wire peel.
That's an operation. White of orange to what? Black.
White of orange.
Green.
To green.
White of orange to black.
White of orange is black.
White of orange is black. Blue is to red. Green to white of blue. And orange to yellow. So I'll bend it like this. Okay. So that's how to connect it. Let me pass it around so that you guys can see it. Pass the cable around like that. So that's how to connect it.